Now imagine in 16th century, you are forced to leave everything that you know. You are forced to leave your land, your clan, your relatives, your sense of identity, and you take a boat and you just sail. When you sail, you don't know whether you're going to live, whether you're going to, whether your boat is going to reach in one place or not. Maybe we don't know how many people drown. Out of 5 children, if one person chose to convert to Christianity, he would inherit the entire ancestral property and the others would get nothing. So one group of people went to Kashmir, and even today the Kashmiri Hindus, they are Saraswat Brahmins. One group stayed in Rajasthan and Gujarat. They are also known as the Ojhas and all. They are also known as Saraswat Brahmins there. Another group went to the Doab of the Ganga, today's Bihar, Bengal area. So that is why some of the Konkanis still describe themselves as Gaurke. So Gaud Desh geographically is that area along the eastern Bihar and Bengal border. 66 families आणि 66 बसयल्यो. That is why the area is known as 66. 30 families आणि तिसवाडीत बसयल्यो. That is why it is known as तिसवाडी. आणि 12 families आणि बारदेसान बसयल्यो. That is why that district was known as Bardes. Like Shanbag was the village accountant. Pais were also people who were keeping tally of the village's accounts. Kamats were agriculturists. Nayaks were the soldiers. So the Kuladevata temples remained in Goa, and the Kuladevata temples became a united factor. Itli varsa, itle anyay zaun, itle migrations zaun sudha, people held on to their culture, they held on to the language, they held on to their Kuladevatas. And sometimes they ask me, how come all the big temples in Goa are located very close to each other?
Exactly,
Like Kaule, Ramnathi, Bandoda, ती इतली लागी कशी असतात? त्यांना मागताना सांगची पडटा की ती लागी नाशिली. That is why Goan temples all have domical shikharas. They don't have those typical spire-like shikharas.
This entire history was very emotionally striking.
Somebody needs to do a PhD on the communication strategy of this mart and how it has brought so many people together.
आज कसं गरज असा कम्युनिटी बिल्डिंग जावं, मठ जावं, देवस्थान जावं, आम्ही अडॉप्ट जावया. It's time of globalization. There are no borders.